Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place guides in Illustrator. So there's different types of guides. For example, I'm going to make a square. And then with nothing selected, you can go here to the right hand side and use click to show smart guides. Press on that. You can see here, you see this magenta line, this pink line here. It's showing you different option or different information. For example, if you take this here, this line represents that it's centered with the other one. So that's one type of guide. Another guide that I really like to use are the rulers. Then you can drag down a guide like this. And then same thing, like when you duplicate an object, you can use Alt, hold Alt or Option on Mac, and you can drag it down like that, for example. And if you want to keep on replicating it, Control D or Command D on Mac, then you'll get it evenly spaced like this. Let's say you're going to do a checkered pattern. You can drag from the left hand side here. So you hold the different measuring things here on the sides or on the top, and you get that by clicking on the ruler here. And then you can just drag out like this, for example, and then you can duplicate it like this, and then you can do the same thing again, Control D or Command D, like that. So that's the guides I usually use. So yeah, if there's any other comment or question, just leave them below and I'll answer. Have a good day. Bye bye.